Folks, this is for any time of the year, whether it's spring, summer, autumn, winter. You want to make sure that you are feeding your plants, and that encourages good flowering and of course good foliage, because without foliage we don't get flowers. So one thing to use is something like this Nutri-Feed. Guys, it's a all balanced, good all-rounder general fertilizer, and what you're going to do is literally it's 10 grams into a liter of water. It's really easy. Mix it all up nicely. All you do, jump into your garden and make sure you're giving them a good feeding. And in this way, we're going to make sure that these babies are going to go on and on and on, produce flowers right throughout their season. And of course, happy flowers make us happy.